In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect a single remote controller device from the memory of the Logico24 motor control board. So currently, this keychain remote is connected. As you can see, when I press buttons 3 and 4, the corresponding numbers appear on the display of the control board. Now, I'm going to outline a process so that you can disconnect just a single device. So this process will allow for disconnection of one device, but not all. So any other existing connections that you have to other remote controllers, they will continue to be connected. So the first step we need to do is hold down the button here on the grey box that extrudes from the control board. And while we're holding it down, we'll turn the power off on the device, and then as it powers on, the red LED light will turn on and then flash 4 times. And before the 4th flash, we need to release our finger from the button, and after that we'll have a short window of opportunity where we can press another button on the keychain remote, and it can be any button, and then this keychain remote will be disconnected. Similarly to the pairing process, you can disconnect devices in sequence as well, but we won't demonstrate that in this video. So I'll actually do it now. So holding down the button on the device, powering off using the mains power. While the button is still held down, we'll turn it on, and then we'll see 1, 2, 3, release. And now we have a short window, and we'll press button number 1. And now we'll wait until the red light turns off, and then we'll check to see if the device has been disconnected. And as you can see, when we press these buttons, nothing comes up on the display, and that's because the device has now been successfully disconnected.